Good morning students. Now we are going to exercise number 4.2 in 6th term. Find the domain of first point f of x is equal to sin inverse of modulus of minus 2 by 3 plus cos inverse of 1 minus modulus of x by 4. This is a question. Here what is we doing now? To find domain means the sin inverse of x and cos inverse of x also the domain of value is closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1. They the same value of sin and cos function for domain. So now we are going to the solution. Given f of x is equal to, write the given values. What is the value? Sin inverse of modulus of x minus 2 by 3 plus cos inverse of 1 minus modulus x by 4. Next we are write the domain of sin and cos x. Write the domain of sin inverse and cos inverse x. So now we are write the domain of sin inverse and cos inverse x s minus 1 comma plus 1 closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1. Domain of sin inverse x and cos inverse x is minus 1 and plus 1. This is the same function. Now we are taking sin inverse function only. Apply the interval. So now we are going to apply the interval. A closed interval means less than or equal to. The taking the interval, apply the function. So now we can write the interval is minus 1 less than or equal to. What is the sin function, ma? Sin function modulus of x minus 2 by 3 less than or equal to plus 1. Less than or equal to plus 1. This is for a sin function. Next we are write the cos function. This is the same method. What is the domain? Domain also same, minus 1 plus 1. Now we are the same method. So minus 1 less than or equal to, what is the function, cos inverse function? 1 minus modulus of x by 4. Next write the interval less than or equal to plus 1. This condition apply for taking the interval and put the sin and cos function. So next doing next now we are going to simplify this one. So here we have taking the value of x only. So the constant term are cancelling and simplify this one. So denominator value is here 3. So multiply here and here. So now we are multiply 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So minus 3 less than or equal to 1. Here only numerator value. Now we can write numerator only modulus of x minus 2 less than or equal to, again this going to 1 3s are 3. Now write the value is 3. Next constant term is minus 2. Cancel off this one, adding plus 2. Now only cancelling off plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 less than or equal to modulus of x minus 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 3 plus 2. Now adding plus 2 this equation. So simplify this one left hand side. minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 less than or equal to, here plus 2 minus 2 is cancelling this one. So now we get take the value is modulus of x less than or equal to 3 plus 2 5. This is the interval. Next we are taking another one, minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus modulus of x by 4 less than or equal to 1. This condition apply the same method. So here it is 4 multiply cross 1. So minus 4 less than or equal to, remaining value is numerator only. So 1 minus modulus of x less than or equal to, here it is multiply by 4. So 1 4s are 4. Now we are, here it is the modulus of x nearby value is plus 1. So cancel off this one. So adding minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Minus 1 minus modulus of x less than or equal to 4 minus 1. Adding minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus 1 minus of modulus x less than or equal to 4 minus 1. Simplify this one. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 less than or equal to, here plus 1 minus 1 cancelling. Now we can write the value as modulus of minus x less than or equal to 4 minus 1 3. Here we see the value of modulus of x. Here the symbol is negative. So this equation full of multiply by minus 1. So now we are get the value is plus 3 getting a negative value. So 3 less than or equal to plus x, here it is, and next less than or equal to minus 5, get the value of plus 5. Here the, see the two equations. Now see the two equations and compare the equation. We have the domain of comparing this one. So minus 1 less than or equal to modulus of less than or equal to 5, minus 3 less than or equal to modulus of less than or equal to 5. The two equation comparing and write the domain. Now in the general form of domain, minus 1 to plus 1. So now we can write the same value. Here it is plus y plus y. So we can write the domain minus 2 plus. So now we can write the value of x is equal to, x belongs to closed interval minus 5 comma plus 5. This is the domain of this sum. Next, second point, the domain of g of x is equal to sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. Already we know that sin inverse of x and cos inverse of x domain also is same. So now we can write the value is, therefore domain of sin inverse x and cos inverse sin inverse x and cos inverse x is closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1. This is the answer for this sum. Thank you all of you, ma.